What if I told you that the greatest obstacle standing between you and success isn't lack of talent, money, or connections, but your own mind, the thoughts you repeat, the beliefs you carry, the invisible programming that controls how you see the world? Because here's the truth. Your mind is like software. If it's running on outdated code, self-doubt, fear, and limitation, then no matter how hard you work, you'll keep hitting the same walls. But if you can reprogram your mind, you can unlock a completely new level of success. Today, we're going to break down exactly how to do that. Think of your brain as a computer. From birth, you start installing programs. Some are useful, how to walk, talk, or solve problems. But many are destructive. Beliefs like, I'm not good enough, or success is only for lucky people. These programs often don't come from you. They come from your environment, parents, teachers, friends, media. Psychologists call this the subconscious mind, a hidden operating system that drives 95% of your behavior. That's why you might say you want success, but still sabotage yourself, because your programming is misaligned with your goals. The first step is awareness. You can't change what you don't recognize. Neuroscience shows that your brain is constantly changing, a concept called neuroplasticity. Every thought you repeat strengthens a pathway. If you constantly think, I always fail, your brain literally wires failure into your identity. But if you replace it with, I always learn, you build a new circuit. This means you're not stuck. You can literally rewrite the code. Your thoughts create your beliefs. Your beliefs create your actions. Your actions create your results. Change the input and you change the output. Ask yourself, what beliefs are keeping me small? Do I secretly believe I don't deserve success? Do I believe money is evil? Do I believe failure means I'm worthless? Write them down. Shine light on them. Because once they're exposed, they lose power. Remember, limiting beliefs are not truths. They're just stories. And stories can be rewritten. Your inner voice is the loudest voice in your life. If it constantly tells you, I can't, I'm not smart enough, I'll never make it, then you're hypnotizing yourself into failure. Successful people use affirmations not as magic spells, but as brain training. When you repeat, I am capable, I am focused, I am unstoppable, you're carving new neural pathways. Think of it as lifting weights for your mind. Every repetition makes the new belief stronger. But here's the key. Affirmations only work when paired with action. You can't just say it. You have to prove it to yourself through small wins. Elite athletes have used this technique for decades. Michael Phelps mentally rehearsed every swim race before entering the pool. Olympians see themselves winning before they even compete. Why? Because your brain can't always tell the difference between imagination and reality. Visualizing your success creates confidence, motivation, and focus. Every night before bed, close your eyes, see yourself living your goal, feel it, and slowly, your mind will start working to make it real. Your environment is stronger than your willpower. If you surround yourself with negativity, complainers, doubters, toxic influences, your programming will always pull you back. But if you surround yourself with growth, books, mentors, positive people, your programming evolves automatically. This is why successful people carefully guard their environment. They know that who you spend time with is who you become. Habits are powerful because they run on autopilot. If you build success habits, your life runs on success without constant effort. Simple but powerful examples. Daily reading, feeding your mind with new ideas. Journaling, tracking your growth and rewriting old stories. Exercise, training discipline and energy. Each habit is like installing a new line of code. Do it consistently, and success becomes automatic. Most people think success makes you grateful. But the truth is, gratitude makes you successful. When you focus on what's good, your brain releases dopamine and serotonin, chemicals that improve focus, creativity, and resilience. Gratitude literally rewires your brain to see opportunities instead of obstacles. A simple practice. Every morning, write down 3 things you're grateful for. It sounds small, but over time, it changes how you see the world. Too many people stay trapped by their past failures. They replay mistakes like old movies. But your past is not your destiny. It's just old programming. Forgive yourself. Detach from a version of you who made those choices. Every day you wake up is a chance to install new software. Remember, the best way to predict your future is to program it. Here's a simple daily system. Morning affirmation. Start the day with one powerful belief. Visualization. Spend 2 minutes imagining your success. Positive input. Read or listen to growth-focused material. Action step. Take at least one step toward your goal. Gratitude reflection. End the day listing 3 wins or blessings. Do this for 30 days and you'll notice your thinking and results shift dramatically. Success is rarely a straight path. Every person who achieves greatness faces setbacks, failures, and moments of doubt. The difference between those who succeed and those who quit isn't talent. It's resilience. Resilience is the ability to recover, adapt, and keep moving forward, even when everything seems against you. Here's the truth. Your brain interprets failure the way you train it to. If you see failure as proof you're not good enough, you'll shrink back. But if you see failure as feedback, as a lesson to refine your approach, your mind rewires for success. Actionable tip. Each time you face a setback, write down what went wrong, what I learned, how I will improve next time. This simple practice rewires your mind to see obstacles as opportunities, turning every setback into a stepping stone. Now that you've learned the fundamentals, let's take it a step further. Mental contrasting. Visualize your goal vividly, then imagine the obstacles. This primes your mind to anticipate challenges and overcome them. Identity shift. Don't just want to be successful. See yourself as successful already. Speak, act, and think like the person you want to become. Your subconscious will follow. Environmental anchoring. Surround yourself with cues that trigger success habits. A clean workspace, inspirational quotes, or even a vision board. Your environment constantly communicates with your subconscious. Future self-meditation. Spend 5 minutes daily imagining a conversation with your future self, the version who has achieved your goals. Ask for advice. This strengthens your commitment and aligns your subconscious with your vision. Continuous learning loop. Treat every day as a chance to upgrade your mind. New skills, new perspectives, and new challenges are all inputs for your mental software. These advanced techniques are what separate ordinary achievers from extraordinary ones. It's not luck. It's consistent mental engineering. At the end of the day, success isn't about luck. It's about programming. The mind you're running on today will create the life you live tomorrow. So ask yourself, are you running on old code, or are you consciously rewriting the program? Because once you reprogram your mind for success, success itself becomes inevitable.